Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the Staff Inductions and Records module. This is one of the most powerful modules in the system and allows creation and management of basic staff information as well as the option to complete a 3-step staff induction. This module is also where WHS training plans and records are generated. For general information about the mobile version of the system, we recommend you view the System Overview for Mobile tutorial, which is published on a dedicated YouTube channel along with all the other system tutorials related to this platform. Just navigate to YouTube and enter your system name, followed by System Overview for Mobile in the search field. Like all system modules, this module is accessible via the Module Navigation menu, and the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels that are controlled within the User Management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. The icon at the top left of screen opens the main navigation menu. The home icon with the blue eye returns to the workplace homepage, and the icon on the top right of screen opens the module navigation menu. Below the module name are the main controls. In this case, a plus icon that allows creation of a new record, and the export icon that exports all data from this module in CSV format. To the right are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial. The help notes explain the colour coding on the left of the list view of this module, which in this case is displaying the status of each of the inductions in the list. Depending on your subscription start date, you may also be seeing an icon linking to archived staff inductions completed prior to March 2016. Below this are the main controls, the search and filtering tools, which are common to many modules in the system. Entering 3 characters or more into the search field presents any relevant results that can be selected directly, or the search icon can be selected to search all the results that display. To clear the results and return to the full list of all records, either go back and reselect the module from the module navigation menu, or clear the contents of the search field and then reselect the search icon. The arrow icon to the right of the search icon opens and closes the list filtering controls. Filtering controls are common to numerous modules, although the actual filters vary from module to module. The export icon below the search and filtering tools allows export of the filtered search results in CSV format. Below the export icon, the next area of list controls is the list headings. The arrow in the middle of the list headings allows you to toggle between a brief summary of each record in the list view and an extended view of each record in the list view. The up and down arrow to the right in the list heading sorts the records in either ascending or descending order based on the date. When the brief summary of each record is displaying, the action icons to the right of each record open the controls directly. When the extended details about each record is displaying, the controls appear within the records themselves. Otherwise, the mobile version of this module behaves the same as the desktop version of this module. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information and the tutorial for the desktop version of this module, which goes into greater detail about the functionality and controls available. Desktop tutorials appear alongside the help notes at the top of each module when viewing your workplace on a desktop computer. And that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.